Let me walk you through what's on the horizon this 2025 tax plan. I've been up to my ears in tax forms at the office, and I got to tell you, these proposed changes could really shake things up for folks. So let's get down to brass tacks here. What they're aiming for are three main things: boosting the economy, helping American businesses compete better internationally, and putting more money in people's pockets. Sounds nice enough, but let's look under the hood. First off, those 2017 tax cuts, they want to make them permanent for individuals. Some say this will help with long-term planning, though I gotta wonder. We're talking less taxes now. What does that mean down the road? Now, dropping taxes for corporations from 21 to 15%, proponents say it'll bring businesses back to America, but here's what keeps nagging me. If we collect less from businesses, what happens to our infrastructure, roads and bridges? And then here's another interesting one. They're looking at stopping tax on tips, overtimes, and over Social Security for seniors. Good news for service workers and retirees, but does raise some questions about funding for important programs. For folks in higher tax states like New York and California, they're talking about lifting that cap, the SALT cap on state tax deductions. Between you and me, this might help some middle-class families, but it's the wealthy that I really see that benefit from this. And to balance things out, they're proposing tariffs on imports. Now, as someone who watches prices pretty carefully, I'm concerned that this could take everything from groceries to appliances more expensive for regular folks like you and me. So they're also going to offer some tax benefits and take those away from sports team owners. I don't know. That kind of doesn't make sense to me. I don't think it'll get through Congress without watering it down. In the big picture, experts are saying that this could add trillions to our national debt. That kind of a number, $7.5 trillion, makes you sit back and think hard about what we're leaving for the next generation. So those are the main points of what's being proposed. What do you make of all of this? I'd be mighty interested in hearing your thoughts on this and how you might be affected or how your family or business might be affected. Feel free to share that information with anyone who might find it helpful. And it's always good to stay informed about things, so hit that like and subscribe button. I hope this has been helpful.